Utata uMosamseleko angabi naso istroke njani if each and every time uzotrenda, if aka-exposwa yifamily yakhe sani u-exposwa one of the wives, if it's not the wives it's step kids, because uLungelo Saul has come into the chat room. This comes after ke utata uMosamseleko poste esisithombe of i-first wife yakhe. I-first wife yakhe ke kwakunguMasawoli, unfortunately wasweleka during the past seasons guys. Saye sabona ke uMakhumalo ehleli phansi nomntana kaMasawoli ekungulungelo efuna ukwazi kabanzi uba hayibo why engasazibandakanye nabakwaMseleko. Naye ke uMseleko ebechaza uba after ke wasweleka unfortunately abaphindanga baba nobudlelwane with the wife side of the family. Inoba ke kwakukhonjwana into yoba wena wathi wathakatha wathi niyayazi into esithembu mos into yoba should anyone die under nje suspicious circumstances kusoloke like kuzokhonjwana, but ke utata uMosamseleko wabe esitsho into yoba no, uMasawoli was involved kwi-car accident, I understand, but either way ke inoba kwakukhonjwana ke ngumndeni. So utata uMosamseleko uposte esisithombe during season 8 of Uthando Nesithembu. Wabhala wathi, this is my late wife. At some point I asked for your guidance as an ancestor wife. Ke abantu abaninzi bangena, they were not comfortable about lento ke ebhalwa ngutata uMosamseleko besithi oh hayi uyazithanda iviews, uyekile ngokusebenzisa omacele, even diving into abantu abasweleka kudala just because you want attention and views. As a result ke inoba wade wabona ke naye uLungelo, and this is what he said guys. It's so long but what a good day everyone, I hope you are all well. This message is directed to those of you in the comment section whom are responding to this caption with a lot of insensitivity and immaturity. For whatever it's worth, I would like to ask for at least ubuntu from all of you. A social media journalist who later deleted the content posted my episode and invited commentary on the discussion. The latter I couldn't control, but the remarks made by the participants I wouldn't allow nor accept. Thus I presented my input and gave dominance to my voice, which resulted in him or her deleting the video. The reason I asked for ubuntu in the matter is because I willingly went on the show to share my narrative and protect the dignity and integrity of my mother. As you type away and as you make jokingly remarks about all of this, kindly take note that I still exist and this is my mother. Moreover, I've accepted that the episode I was featured still lingers very much so in the minds of the show's viewers, and thus this conversation will continuously be explored and concluded by the viewers. Lastly but not least, I would like to thank those of you who reprimanded and act as a voice on my behalf to those who share inaccurate, deceiving or derogatory discourse of the matter. If you have read this to the end, thank you for your attention. So also, I will not allow certain people to gain power over me or my emotions. I can easily acknowledge the objective of this post and I will not intervene, but I will request for sensitivity. Again, thank you those who continuously stand on my behalf when I cannot, right? My mom, she has been gone for over 20 years now. Allow her to continue resting in peace. If not for me, do it for yourself, because you've either lost a loved one and if not, one day you will experience this pain. So londo ke ijongise kutata uMosamseleko kuba khawuke umyeke arrest in peace. So yeah guys, nanso update of the hour. Your thoughts on this conversation of ke stepson iskatata uMosamseleko no Mosamseleko, please let me know down on the comments and show links on my next one. Bye.